We had to move outside at the BHS open house because the presentation and good morning to everybody has just started. And I got the opportunity to grab you, John, and take you outside here. How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm doing well.
And you came in from the US and you are working for a company called Corrugated Supplies. What are you doing?
We are a sheet feeder based primarily Midwest, Southeast, but we do reach other parts of the country. So
BHS is like one of the biggest suppliers in the corrugated. But what I have learned during the past few days is that seem to be split between like 2-3 players. So why do you choose to work with a company like BHS?
we have been with BHS for quite some time, and their machines just continue to outperform the others. We do have two other machines. I have 11 corrugators, 9 of them are BHS's, and the performance, the maintenance, the uptime is just the reliability. It continues to outperform the others.
One of the things I have realized also visiting here during the past days is also that seems that they have with the box plant 25 vision. It seems that they are not just for the short-term business, but also investing a lot of money in the future. Does that also play a role for you?
It does, yes. I mean, they're visionaries. They are. They keep testing the limits of where they can go, and they're expanding on what we need in the industry. So they do a very good job at that.
You're the CEO of Corrugated Suppliers, and I was just thinking that how difficult is it? Not your job specifically, but how competitive, how difficult is it to run an operation in a market that, to me, seems a little bit competitive?
It is a very competitive market. I think our model, I won't speak for others, has worked. We try to grow vicariously through our customers. That's the biggest thing. How do we support them and help grow and help their help limit their competition from that side? So,
and if you look at the future demands, I have my background is from the commercial printing industry, and for years it's always been like being more effective, more flexible, faster turnaround time, better quality. I mean, all the parameters that makes it a little bit more difficult. Is that also parameters that you see in the corrugated?
Yes, I don't think that will ever change.
So, what is your expectations from being here at the BHS Open House?
I'm really interested to see the printer in operation, and in addition to, like you said, the 2025, their vision, they're going to have, I believe, some of what they're trying to introduce then in action. And I really look forward to seeing that. So, and I think just in the timing, given the labor struggles I believe everybody has been facing over the last couple of years, they have picked a great time to introduce this new product.
As you said, you're working with sheets today. Are you also offering, additional like print services and that, or is it only the boards that you deliver today?
No, we are like a sheet feeder, but I have printers on almost all my machines. Okay. So not digital printers though. Yeah. So we've been doing print, full coverage, random print. For many, many years now. So this is the next step to really take printing to the next level.
Yeah, because that will give you that flexibility and also the dynamics of the print with the personalization, QR codes and all that shit, right?
Yes, and we can't do from the digital standpoint currently on the corrugator of what they're proposing. So it'd be very interesting to see it in action.
A machine like the Jetliner that you're going to see with Schumacher today, is that a machine that is within the reach of what you think is capable speed-wise, quality-wise of what you need?
We'll see from a quality standpoint, but speed-wise, definitely. I mean, the speeds I've been told up to 1,000 foot a minute. So very fast, and that's what we're looking for.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.